a personal one, and let's just hope I get through it. Woo. Okay. Oh Lord. Let's take a walk down memory lane. Do you hear me rapping? Do you feel what I'm saying? I bet you never would have thought I could make it here. Now I'm waiting on the day that I see you cheer. Looking back upon the memories, I was never happy. You became my enemy. Ain't nothing good was happening. They say you doing better and you really care, but all I hear is bullshit. I don't believe none of that there. I still love my family, my brothers and sisters. They're forever by my side, so you can't say I don't miss them. One day they will go older, and I will be there to show them all the love, the affection and care, all the things that I've been missing because we grew distant. They say time heals everything, so for now I'm reminiscing. I hate to think about it, could bring pain to my heart to know that I have my family, but they're kept in the dark. But still I hold my head up and look forward to the day that I can finally see them, hug them tight and say, your sister truly loves you, and I'm sorry I've been gone, but right now I'm here with you and you're never on your own. I'm always by your side and you'll stay in my mind. I'm looking towards the future, we ain't that far behind. Just know I'm coming for you to be in your life. You are my flesh and blood, so I have that right.